how to get free games in Epic Games in 2024. So basically how this works, Epic Games gives you like 2 games for free every single week. So as you can see now, I'm on the main page, the store page actually of Epic Games. If I scroll down a little bit, you will see this free games. So free games, like I said, it shows you 2 games here. The period is also going to be displayed here. So they're only free for 1 week. And basically what you want to do if you want to get it is click on it. And then it's gonna load up the game itself like so. It's gonna show you the price and that it's free currently, so we're gonna click on get, and it's gonna appear like an order, but it's gonna be completely free. So just click on place order here, and I agree, and now I will have this game in my library, and I can also install it. So as you can see here, I can view it in my library. It's gonna show up right here. And I can click on install. It's gonna download and install for me. And you can keep checking this store page here for the new and upcoming games right here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.